People today say things without thinking. They say stuff, it comes out of their mouth, and they don't even think about what they've just said. And they don't realize where they've contradicted themselves. It is crucial, it is essential for a Muslim to think about what they're about to say before they say it. Think for a moment. What am I saying? How am I delivering it? Will it have an effect? If we start to develop these habits at a very young age, this will help us in the long run. If we start to develop these qualities into our children, to tell them to think before what they say, these are called etiquettes and manners of communication. Our parents normally leave the children to school and they expect the school to teach these habits and these etiquettes to our children. What they do learn is whatever's happening in society. So let us not go by the trend. Let us sit down and think and evaluate our words, evaluate our lifestyle, evaluate our choices, and teach our children. The most important thing is that when you say something to someone, think twice before you say it. Because a man's words need to have some sort of weight. They need to have some kind of value or quality. If we start saying, and this subhanallah, and this is what the muhaddithin have done. Which hadith is coming from which rawi, which person, to evaluate that anything that this person is saying, because he jokes around too much, because he tells lies too many, how do we know what he is saying is 100% true and there's no joke in it? There's no extra words from himself in it. See, the Salaf as-Salihin were extremely cautious about this. And why are we not cautious about this today? It is something that is not taught. We don't put too much emphasis and value to it. So that, my friend, if we can get this quality into our life, our words will have value to people. So much can be said with only so little.